Tito. Yung kahilingan ay mapapasayo.
May start na to?
Ang Pasko ay parating na. Take a deep breath and relax. Karamihan sa atin, alam ko, hindi na ninyo pinag-iwan ang araw na ito. Ang tulad ng pagdiriwang namin, but you still have gifts to buy, barbecue to grill, ham to serve, and this never seems to be enough time. Marami ka pang pinagkakabalahan tulad ng mga school Christmas parties ng mga anak mo, cards to mail or emails, and an extra effort to your businesses at other stories of your
Ang daming business!
to make ends meet. Please slow down for just a while. Prepare for the birth of Christ in our hearts. At ang sabi nga, He comes in Christmas if we let Him in. Kadalasan, masyado tayong abala at di man nasasali ang talagang spirit ng Christmas. Our Lord said, everyone is celebrating my birthday, but I was not even invited to the party and seems not receiving gifts. There are always representations of Santa Claus in almost all parties and events. In our case, a big preparation of our Kris Kringle and today's Revelation Day. May this gift of mine to you and sharing all my little gifts to others, lahat na nakatanggap, represent my gifts to Him and making Him a big part of our department Christmas celebration. From this day, may I wish you to extend your little help to any kid or a poor one that you may meet along your way home today. Surely whatever it is will be blessed and you did it for Him. Ang Diyosa ng kalupaan ay Diyos ang higit sa paningin ng mga tao. Maligayang Pasko, mapayapa at masaganang bagong taon sa iyo. Ang Diyosa ng kalupaan. Thank you!
Ano, stop na?